Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change date and time on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down until you find General Management, and then let's go there. Over here we need to select date and time, and over here we can enable and disable automatic date and time. If you turn off this option, then you can set your own date and your own time. In addition to that, we can also set the time zone, which once again can be set to automatic. And if we disable this option, then we can select our specific time zone. We can choose the region and the time zone. Now, if this option is enabled, then we can set time zone based on location. And finally, at the bottom, we have the option to use 24-hour format. So instead of using AM, PM, we can just use the 24-hour format. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.